Welcome to Real Estate Ramblings with Robyn and Sean.
So today on not just Truck Talk, but Truck Talk Homes Edition, we're going to introduce you to one of our new listings.
Welcome to Fieldstone, 6 Fieldstone Drive in Upton. A charming move-in ready townhouse in one of Central Mass's most loved small towns. Inside you'll find 2.5 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a bright updated kitchen with granite counters, brand new stainless steel appliances that make cooking a breeze. The newly finished basement adds a great bonus space. It's ideal for a family room, a home office, or a gym. The quiet wooded community offers easy access to routes 140, 495, the Mass Pike, all of which belongs to the top-rated Minden-Upton School District. With a one-car detached garage and association fees that cover landscaping, snow, and trash, life here is simple, convenient, and stress-free. Come see why 6 Fieldstone Drive is the perfect place that you can call home.